Happy New Year and of course Merry Christmas pa rin. Good morning. Today is January 2, uh, second day of 2026 and first job for the year sa Cadtech. So naisipan ko matagal na to malwa nini pero buklat ko ng tanaong Lucky Charm Jolly Bobo bakit nato ki because punta kami kinabit Camarines Sur para kay Cadtech na tinobra mumuran pa mo at makasumpong yung tayo mo. Anyway, unboxing my gift for myself. Actually, for myself, binayad din ko yung halang. So, cable sila ng karton. So, agitan tayo ito. Oh. Oh, right. Tadaan! Actually, by 10 years, 20 years, mas mahal ito. Tadada! So, ito siya. Nice. My gift for myself, and I'm gonna hang it on my traveling bag. So, have a good day sa lahat. Have a blessed new year. And may God always accompany us. Second video ko mamaya pag nasa daan na kami.